Guys, we are finished in this country. This country is not real. Today, 5 local governments in Katsina State had peace talk with bandits. A whole 5 local governments. Make una see bandits now. Wahala. Now Nigeria, this thing they happen. No be Hamas, no be in Gaza. This thing they happen in Katsina. Say, see them. Wait, so I want to ask you, a whole 5 local governments, they have peace deal with bandits. That means banditry is now a legal entity in Katsina or what? Like, I don't understand, because if they have this number of bandits in Katsina, it means that everybody in Katsina are bandits, have been an terrorist. What is going on? To the point that a whole, not 1, 2, 5 local governments. This Nigeria is not real. This is serious. Like, this is serious. It's quite obvious that Katsina State has been taken, in fact, has been captured by bandits. If they have these huge numbers of bandits in one state, goodness sake, make una help me share this video. This is the reason why the US, member of parliament are saying, oh, there's a Christian genocide. Because if we have these numbers of bandits in one state, how sure are we that the Christians in this state are safe? What is going on? I can tell you for free. With this video, all of us are watching. Nigeria army cannot handle this. In fact, Nigeria, we need international help, because Nigeria army cannot handle the insecurity. This level of insecurity, I swear to God. Imagine this massive number of people have taken up arms against Nigerian states, and all of us are just sitting down here watching. Like, do you know what it means? Like, this video, it means that every child, everybody, like every young child in Katsina State will be seeing banditry and terrorism as a lucrative business. What is going on? Goodness sake. Wow, I don't know feeling for this country. Like, is this a dream? Like, is this a joke? What is going on, for Christ's sake? Like, what? This is serious. I bet make gonna help me to share this video. This video needs to go viral. I bet make the Kukuma release Nnamdi Kanu for us. Let them release Nnamdi Kanu. I think it's hard time for them to release Nnamdi Kanu, because if the federal government themselves have committed a sin, a crime against Nigerian people. The government themselves have committed a huge crime, an atrocity, a sin against us, by having peace deal with bandits, with proscribed terrorists, to the point that not one local government, 1, 2, 3, 5, a whole 5 local government. How many local government do they have in Katsina? And couple the fact that this Katsina State is now ex-president state. Now Buhari State now, Buhari is from Katsina State. So how did they have these huge numbers of terrorists, bandits in the same state? Oh my goodness, this is embarrassing. Like Buhari State breed terrorists, breed bandits. Nigeria is a goner. Is a goner. And the government are not even saying anything. The problem is that, wait, so all this Tinubu and Tinubu's spokesperson, APC spokesman, why all of them are even keeping moods? The point is that all of them are, in fact, I think all of them don't even give up on the president, because none of them is even coming out to explain the reason for the peace deal or the peace talk. Either do they debunk it, they are not debunking, or even they are even tired, because any reasonable human being will be shocked now. See the numbers. How many people remain in Katsina State? If these numbers are now terrorists, Please, oh, how many people? It's obvious that we can say 50% of people in Katsina is now bandits. And the more this banditry is growing, they are romancing with them. See the way they act like it's their country, it's their state, radio. Paparazzi, they do convoy, convoy. Buhari states. Ha! Is there more to this banditry that we don't know? If it's now a legal entity, the government should tell us that banditry is now a legal entity so that we know that terrorism is no longer a crime in Nigeria. That all this, please, in fact, on 20th, all of us should come out on 20th. Nnamdi Kanu must be free, because you can't tell me that this is happening in the same Nigeria and they are keeping Nnamdi Kanu like because he's an Igbo man. No, we say no to this continuous, marginalization, this continuous ill-treatment, on Igbos. Tell me the crime that Nnamdi Kanu committed that is more than this. They carry arm. All of them are carried arm. They paparazzi, they cruise. This is just like the way Hamas took over Gaza. This is exactly what is happening in Katsina. And this is how it started. This is how it started before Hamas eventually captured Gaza, took over the state. Because what more? Hey, I beg you, I don't give up in this country.
Now wow, is there bandit market in North? DSS, where are you people? Tinubu, where are you people? Now I know there is two laws. I believe what people are saying, there is only two laws in Nigeria. One for only Igbos and the other one for others. If not, can you imagine? Just imagine. Child. Just imagine a country. Look at how bandits carry 222. And be walking freely, sharing money in an open place. No fear. Look, you would think that this is bandit market. Wow, this is really pity, honestly.